मेरा मानना था कि बस
Last week, I got my final result, and I got 97.56. And then I told my mom. My mom was like, where did the other 2% go? And I told my mom, Mom, I followed Uvrati.
मेरा मानना था कि बस इतनी पढ़ाई करनी चाहिए कि ठीक ठाक अच्छे मार्क्स आ जाए, उतने मार्क्स जितने सफिशिएंट हो दिखाने के लिए लोगों को कि भाई ठीक ठाक लड़का है, अच्छा खासा पढ़ लेता है, लेकिन टॉपर मत एक्सपेक्ट कर।
And my mom told me, try not to become a script writer. So I told my mom, yes mom, you're right. I was born a day where the typewriter was invented. I should become a typewriter. So script writer versus typewriter, who will win?